This video will demonstrate how to use the video filter feature in FortiOS 7.0.1. This feature allows users to block specific YouTube channels and categories through their FortiGate. Let's first go to YouTube and see that all the channels are accessible. We'll click on a video to see that it works. You can see the video is viewable. Now let's go back to the FortiGate GUI running FortiOS 7.0.1. To create a video filter profile, go to Security Profiles, Video Filter, and click on Create New. Name the filter. Then select each of the categories, in this case, Everything but Knowledge, which YouTube calls Learning, and change their action to Block. Don't forget to save the video filter profile when you're done. Go into the CLI console to enable the video filter profile. Type in config video filter YouTube-key, then edit one, then set key, then your YouTube API key in quotation marks, then next, and end. Close the CLI window and create a new firewall policy by going to Policy and Objects, Firewall Policy. Click on Create New, type in a name, then the appropriate incoming and outgoing interfaces. Switch to proxy-based, which opens up the video filter option. Enable the video filter and select the video filter profile you created earlier. Then change SSL inspection to deep inspection. Then click OK. Now let's go and check YouTube to see if the video filtering has worked. Select a video that should be blocked, in this case, reloading the page of the video we saw earlier. And you can see the message you get when you select a video in a blocked category. Then let's go to a video in the Learning category and click on it. You'll see it is not blocked and is accessible. Now perhaps you want to allow learning or knowledge videos, but there is a specific channel in that category you want blocked. For example, let's say you want to block this channel. Just click on the channel, go up to the URL, copy the channel ID, go back to the FortiGate GUI, and to Security Profiles, Video Filter. Select the video profile you made earlier and click Edit. Go down to Channel Override List and click on Create New. Paste the channel ID in, select Block, and then click OK, and click OK again. Now let's go back to YouTube and we'll click on one of the channel's videos. And we can see the video is now blocked. Now let's say you want to block all YouTube channels except this one. Go back to the video filter profile, change the knowledge channel to block, edit the channel override, and change block to allow. Then click OK and OK again. Now go back to the video for the YouTube channel you want to be accessible. We'll reload the page and you can see it is now viewable. Now go to another Learning channel video and click on it. You see you get the web page blocked message as the video is not viewable. And that's the new YouTube filter option for FortiOS 7.0.1. Thank you for watching.